Stan.
Over there on the concrete.
Hey, Matthew, call him. Call Stan. Stan. Oh, he's watching.
This is so adorable. No, don't move. I want to pet you.
Y'all watch out for the dog. Don't step on him.
See, he's not bothered. But he seems to like individual attention.
It would almost be nice to talk to the family that gave him. Say, could you?
Oh my gosh, this is
You know that it's like because Denise brought a Boston Terrier. He did the same thing.
Really?
so did Casey's dog.
Come here, guys. Come here, Stan. Stan, come here. Come here.
That was so cute. It's a dragon.
You gonna go play with the kids? No? Well, maybe.
It's a dragon.
But push him off of you. Make him get down. Oh, now
Rub
he's
his
rubbing
belly
his belly.
again.
Well, see?
Maybe he'll drag his legs again. That was hilarious.
There, I got that on film. Oh. He seems.
Yeah, the guy.
And you never know. It could be a scenario where
He doesn't know where he is either. We're in-
Stop. That's nothing. Stand. He's just like,
All right, head up, Ethan, so that we can see the dog. All right, let
Look,
Matthew.
count to 20.
No, you didn't pet him yet. We just want you. All right, Ethan, let Matthew pet him because he might be going to a family with a 6-year-old boy who needs to see how he likes 6-year-old boys.
He seems to be.
Oh, he
Go
got a
with
piece
me.
of grass
I'm
on his
about
lip.
to be
Can you get that
11.
off?
He'll go with me.
Oh, you are? When's your birthday?
The 27th.
February?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Cool.
So it's close. Although I don't have a twin, but.
Yeah. That's okay.
I wouldn't like
All right,
to
now
have.
call him and see if he'll
You wouldn't want to?
sit down on the grass and call him over.
That's your room with somebody
All right,
besides
now sit down
That's
right there
true.
and call him.
That's true.
Hey, Stan, you gotta sit down. Call him. Hey, come on, Stan. Call for him. Make him work it. Come on, Matthew.
Stan. Stay.
You got grass. I'll open your boot right now.
Oh. Well, he seems to be. You know, he may be just fine. Hey, boy.
Can I give one to him?
Oh, look, he's
Hold on,
sitting.
Sit.
Cute. Make his head go down a little bit. Or,
No, wait. Down.
oh, now I got 2 dogs.
Back away. Here, come this way. Okay.
Look at him sit. Somebody's trained him.
Can I give him it now? He really wants it.
No, back up a little bit.
I split it in half.
We want to torture the dog.
I can't scoot back anymore, Mom. No.
Okay, you can give it.
That's good. Yeah.
Okay.
Got it. Here. Can you sit down? That's good. Mom. Wait, you're in the picture. Tilly. Mom, are there birds in the birdhouse still? No. It's in the spring.
yet.
In the spring. No.
Down, Stan. Stan, get down.
Down.
Very good. Okay. See, that's.
Look at the camera. There we
Oh,
go.
that's a cute.
Okay. Stan, what are you looking at, boy? What are you looking at, boy?
You're so cute.
He trying to lick you? You got a big old tongue, let me tell you.
Cute. Yes.